Jetzt, now, it started. Action.
Hello, my name is David Castle and I pre-packed this pencil almost 5 months ago. Let's see how it unpacks and how it looks. Here we go. I pre-planned for this. Perfectly intact. My giant pencil. I built it for my little girl so that when she gets bigger she can get her fingers around it. Surprisingly in good shape. Oh, that makes me very happy. The cool thing about this is that the only parts that are holding it together are some staples which bring the fabric around. So I built a skeleton out of about 7 discs. I cut all of the shapes for all of the ribs and also the center strut, and then I slid them all in and they were like 1 millimeter, so really tight. And then I stapled the fabric on, wrapped it around, and stapled it again, and that's all it's holding it together. There are no screws, there is no glue, there are no nails.
I would like to have an autogram.
I certainly, here, let me sign that camera for you.